two chemical reactions are described below. 1. Nitrogen and hydrogen react to form ammonia, NH3. Carbon and hydrogen bond together to form a molecule of methane, CH4. For each reaction, give A. Valence shell of each atom involved in the reaction. B. The Lewis structure of the product that is formed. 1. When nitrogen reacts with hydrogen, it forms ammonia, that is NH3. The balanced chemical reaction can be expressed as follows. N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3. A. The valence of nitrogen and hydrogen atoms are: in the outermost shell of nitrogen, there are 5 electrons. To get octet electronic configuration, it requires 3 electrons. So, the valence of nitrogen atom is 3. In the outermost shell of hydrogen, there is 1 electron. To get octet electronic configuration, it requires 1 electron. So, the valency of hydrogen is 1. B. Lewis structure of ammonia is represented as: 2. When carbon reacts with hydrogen, it forms methane, that is CH4. The balanced chemical reaction can be represented as follows. C plus 2H2 gives rise to CH4. A. Valence of carbon and hydrogen atoms are: in the outermost shell of the carbon, there are 4 electrons. To get octet electronic configuration, it requires 4 electrons. So, the valency of carbon atom is 4. In the outermost shell of hydrogen, there is 1 electron. To get the octet electronic configuration, it requires 1 electron. The valency of hydrogen atom is 1. B. The Lewis structure of methane is represented as: